So the plot thickens, right? Because I'm doing some debugging on these buttons, and look at that. Turn in a circle. So it's a third and fourth column. And it works for the other button as well, which is the first and second column. Even the potentiometer, which is the last column, turning that changes. Looks a bit weird actually. But they are being set. So this one, which is that Arduino Mini Pro, is yeah, should be sending these numbers to that, but they're not. The other one works. That one works. Well, they both work, as you can see, because numbers are being sent, but only the numbers from here make it to there. Weird.